You install solar panels. You expected tiny electric bills or maybe even zero bills, but then your first utility bill arrives and you're still paying sometimes $50, $100, or even more. And now you're wondering, did solar fail? Was I misled? Why am I still paying for electricity after going solar? If you've asked these questions, you are not alone, because this is one of the biggest misunderstandings homeowners have about solar energy. Welcome to Renewable Energy YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll explain why electric bills still exist after solar, how net metering actually works, why solar doesn't always mean zero bills, hidden utility charges, why your nighttime usage matters, how batteries change the equation, and how to actually maximize savings in 2026. Let's get started. Part 1. The biggest solar myth. Let's clear up the biggest myth first. Many homeowners believe if I install enough solar panels, my electric bill disappears forever. But in reality, most grid-tied solar homeowners in the US still receive utility bills every month, and in many cases that's completely normal, because solar doesn't automatically disconnect you from the utility company. Most homes are still connected to the electric grid, utility infrastructure, and net metering systems. That means you still exchange electricity with the utility company every day. Part 2. How solar actually works with the grid. Now let's simplify how this works. During the daytime, your solar panels generate electricity. Your home uses that power first. If your panels produce extra electricity, it gets sent back to the grid. And when your solar panels are not producing enough, your house pulls electricity from the grid. This happens at night during cloudy weather, during winter, or when energy usage is very high. This entire billing arrangement is called net metering. Net metering tracks how much electricity you send out and how much electricity you use from the grid. Think of the grid like an energy bank. During the day, you deposit extra solar energy. At night, you withdraw electricity back. Sounds simple, but this is where things get complicated. Part 3. Why your bill is not zero. Now let's talk about the real reasons homeowners still pay bills after solar. Reason 1. You still use electricity at night. This is the biggest reason. Solar panels generate the most power during midday, but most homes use the most electricity in the evening and nighttime. That means your home still buys electricity from the grid after sunset. Without a battery, your solar system cannot store daytime energy for nighttime use. Reason 2. Utility fees never go away. Even if solar offsets most of your electricity, many utility companies still charge connection fees, delivery charges, service fees, minimum bills. These charges often remain even when your solar production is excellent. That's why some homeowners still receive small monthly bills no matter what. Reason 3. Net metering rules changed. This is very important in 2026. Many states have reduced the value of solar export credits. In some states, utilities no longer pay full retail value for extra solar energy sent to the grid. For example, California's NEM 3.0 significantly reduced export compensation rates. That means you may sell electricity cheaply during the day and buy it back expensively at night, and that hurts savings. Part 4. Why some homeowners get higher bills than expected. Now let's talk about something many people don't realize. Sometimes the problem isn't the solar system. It's lifestyle changes after installation, increased electricity usage. Many homeowners start using more electricity after solar. They think my electricity is free now, so they run AC more, buy EV, add hot tubs, use more appliances, and suddenly their energy consumption increases dramatically. System was undersized. Sometimes solar systems are designed too small. Maybe roof space was limited, budget was lower, or future energy usage wasn't considered. So the system only offsets 60 to 80% of usage instead of 100%. That means you will still buy significant electricity from the utility company. Weather and seasonal changes. Solar production changes throughout the year. Winter, shorter days, lower sunlight, more cloud cover. Summer, much higher production. So bills naturally fluctuate seasonally. Part 5. How batteries change everything. Now this is where batteries become important. Without batteries, most extra solar energy gets exported to the grid. But with batteries, you store that energy for nighttime use. This becomes especially valuable in states with weak net metering, high electricity prices, time of use billing, because instead of selling power cheaply and buying it back expensively, you use your own stored electricity. That's why home batteries are becoming much more important in 2026. And honestly, this is exactly why proper solar planning matters so much. Because system size, battery sizing, electricity usage, net metering rules, and utility policies all directly affect your final savings after going solar. A lot of homeowners focus only on how many panels should I install, but the real question should be, is my entire system designed correctly for my energy needs? And if you need help with solar system design, engineering support, battery planning, or solar installation guidance, you can connect with Renewable Energy. We provide solar system design and engineering support in USA, UK, and Canada. Solar installation services in India. Contact details are available in the video description below. Now let's talk about what homeowners should realistically expect after installing solar. Part 6. What a good solar bill really looks like. Many homeowners focus too much on, will my bill become zero? But the better question is, how much money am I saving overall? Because even if you still receive a small utility bill or connection charges, you may still be saving thousands of dollars over time. For many homeowners, cutting a $300 bill down to $20 to $50 monthly is already a huge win. Part 7. How to maximize solar savings in 2026. Here's what homeowners should focus on. Proper system sizing, understanding net metering rules, managing nighttime electricity usage, considering battery storage, reviewing utility rate structures, monitoring system performance regularly, and most importantly, never assume solar automatically means zero bill. That expectation causes disappointment for many homeowners. Solar absolutely works, but understanding how your utility bill works after solar is just as important as installing the panels themselves. Because the homeowners who save the most money are usually the ones who understand the system properly before installation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And let me know in the comments, were you surprised that solar homeowners still receive electric bills? If you want to learn more about solar systems, batteries, EV charging, and renewable energy technology, make sure to subscribe to the Green World Renewable Energy channel. We share practical and easy to understand content every week. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.